What's up, guys? It is Lyndon from Kelowna Kia, and I am back again with another great tip. Here we have a gorgeous 2025 Kia Carnival EX Plus, and I'm gonna show you some serious cargo space. Before I pop open this hatch to show you where all the soccer balls go, I want you guys to like and subscribe to Kelowna Kia, and I will bring you more tips that you will love. Are you guys sick and tired of taking your back seats out and storing them in your garage? Look no further. Here we have this easy stow and go feature with the Kia Carnival. Makes for wonderful flat storage. If you see here, number 1, number 2, they're all labeled really easy for you folks. Pull on that fella and it slides right into place like a dream. What's up, guys? Here we are live in the Carnival. These seats are comfier than your grandma's sofa and more configurable than an RC car. Look at these seats. You can move them forwards, backwards. You can adjust the angle of the seat. And to get in the back, it's really quite straightforward. You pull this lever, slides on forward, and you can just get on in the back there. Hey guys, I really hope you had a good time with me on tips and tricks on the Kia Carnival. Come on and like and subscribe, and you'll see more from me.